Treating bald spot is very difficult, and when it comes to the home remedy, it is going to take longer time than the usual. If you have curly hair, then the chances of experiencing the bald spot is higher when compared to straight hair and baby hair. I also started experiencing bald spot over my left side. Especially my scalp was very much visible over here. That's because I always have the partition like this. The mistake one was having your partition regularly over one side. Don't ever do that. Try to change your partition very frequently so that your scalp is not visible like mine. Okay? Then when I do like this, no? You see my scalp and I have less hair density when I do like this because my scalp is visible. I have lots of baldness over here, and when I do this right, my hairline is not very visible. It's like fine when compared to this. This is fine, right? So all I did was I started using onion juice on my hair from August 2nd till September 4th. And guess what? It actually worked. If something is working on the curly hair, you will not see the difference. So to show you guys the difference, I actually saved all the hair strands which I was getting while detangling when the conditioner is on during my hair wash. I'll show you. So this was on 5th wash. This 6th. This is 7th. And this was 8th. This was 9th. Like 10th. So when compared to this one, this is better, right? And when compared to the 10th one, this was 13th. So when compared to this is better, right? So this is how I felt there is a huge difference on my hair. Hope this difference is helping you guys to find out if it actually worked on my scalp. And I'm going to insert the August 2nd pic of my this portion and September 2nd of this portion. So when hair is wet, actually you'll see the difference. When it is dried, my hair tends to be like this. So you'll not see if I have bald spot or if I have less density or if my hair is less. So that's why I have taken the picture when my hair is completely wet. And this much of hair still it's not okay, but it's fine, it actually worked. So now I'll tell you the procedure of using onion juice on your hair. I take 2 larger ones, and if you have patience or if you're not lazy like me, then you can go with the smaller one, but take a handful of smaller one, okay? Then all you have to do is grind and squeeze the juice from the pulp, and I always fill the juice in this bottle. I'll insert the picture somewhere here. You will see how much juice I'll get and how much oil I'm adding to it. Then I'll add coconut oil to the juice, and the quantity of coconut oil is 5 caps of this. Because if you just use onion juice on your hair directly and wash every day or every alternate day, it is going to make your hair drier. And generally, curly hair is very dry and you don't have to make it even worse. So just incorporate some oil to your onion juice. It can be coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, any oil, but some oil. Then I have hole in it and I'll apply like this. If you have someone like your sister or your mom, you can ask them to apply, concentrating on your scalp. Then while applying the onion juice and the oil mixture to your scalp, try to massage your head like this, so that you're increasing your blood circulation to your scalp, and that way it is going to penetrate deep into your scalp. Then leave it for 30 to 45 minutes max, because onion juice is going to give you chillness. You don't have to leave onion juice on your hair more than 45 minutes strict. If you have a migraine, then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, because if you go beyond that, I think you will have headache. So wash your hair with normal shampoo and the conditioner you regularly use. Try to use deep conditioner at least once a week. Instead of conditioner, I always use deep conditioning, but you can go with your regular conditioner as well. Then leave your hair air dry. Don't use any heat, because heat is going to give you hair fall, right? So don't use any heat. Just leave your hair air dry. When it comes to the hair length, I'll tell you. So this much of hair, like it's below my breast actually, and before trying the onion juice, I had my hair length till here. So this much of hair I have got. See, this much of hair I have got. And see, when curly hair is actually growing, you will not see much of difference, because see, you can just stretch your hair and see if it is actually worked or not. But otherwise, you will not see difference in the length. But actually, I can see a little difference in my hair length as well, and there is a difference in the spot. See, when your hair is dry, you will not see if you have bald spots or not. When it is actually wet, you will see where the density is less. So concentrate more on the affected area. For example, I have here, I always do like this. Don't scratch like this. Instead, do like this. Like Your fingertip has to be used for massaging your scalp. But remember, you'll have to be very consistent to see the difference. At least 3 days in a week should work. Hope the onion juice is going to work on your hair as well. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Tata.